Hi, this is Andy from Vehicle Fits. This is a quick demonstration of what we've done to this Citroen Relay. We've done deadlocks on the cab doors. These are extremely tightly fitted. These are a hook deadbolt that fire into an aperture on the B-pillar. So when you lock them, one quick turn, zero movement. So I've done that on both cab doors. We've also done the Starline S9 alarm system with pin to drive. We've also done anti-hijack. We've also done something quite nice on these. We've done the electronic deadlock. We're doing a few of these now. So the way this works is we fit the bolt into the C-pillar, and when you arm the system, they fold in, and when you disarm it, in this case with a Starline tag, they fold out. They fold back in. What we've done with these is they're linked into the manufacturer's lock-in to arm them, but to disarm them, the tag for the Starline needs to be in range. So it's like a secure disarm. So if the tag's out of range or the customer's phone's out of range, these won't fire back in, which is good in case someone tries to pick the front door lock or they cloned a key. So these are on the side and the barn door as well. Like I say, secure disarm. So you can either unlock them with the tag, which will actually unlock all the van doors as well. You put one in the right-hand barn door. So the way we've wired these up is with a bit of logic as well. So what I've done is I've just said, when the alarm system arms, wait 1 second and then fire the bolts. We've done that simply because we're controlling the van's manufacturer's lock-in, and I wanted to just hear if these are going in. If we fired them at the same time as the existing door locks, you probably wouldn't hear the locks going in. We've also done a double pulse on the locks, so if there's any resistance, the locks will pulse once and then half a second later pulse again, just to give them a better chance of firing in if the door is out of line. So shut the door. If you arm it with, did you hear that? So you just did a double pulse on that lock just to fire that bolt in on the side door and the barn door. The alarm has got its own shock, tilt and motion built in, but we've also added some extra protection in the back of the corner of the van, which gives you enhanced protection on this rear door and the side door. The Starline does have its own shock sensor built in, but just found it wasn't sensitive enough for picking up attempts on the back end of the van. What we've done with these is we've wired these into the auxiliary channel on the alarm. So the alarm's got an auxiliary main channel, an auxiliary warning channel. That's a front proximity as well. Sorry, so it's got front proximity as well. So what we've done is with these alarms, they've got an auxiliary channel for warning and an auxiliary for main alarm. And what we've done is, because we've got two channels going in to the warning channel, we've got the warning channel of the new shock sensor in the back, the warning channel from the proximity in the cab. We've put them both into one, but I've just dioded them off, and I've put two inputs onto either channel so it can distinguish what zone is going off. So for instance, if it's the rear shock warning, you'll get an auxiliary warning alert on the app and also an SMS to confirm which zone it was, front or rear, and then the main alarm is just wired in straight to the auxiliary main channel of the van. So I'll just show you what happens when you give the back a heavier impact. So what happens is you'll get so just a very light tap. What they do is they do go for these back doors on the van, So any attempt on this, you can hear it going off. The customer is getting alerts, he's getting warnings on his phone. But any continued attack, he then goes to full trigger, then the horn honk kicks in. Oh, sorry, blooper. I've changed the horn honk on this one to, I put a condition in, so horn honk is only active when tag not present. Normally we do horn honk as default, just to go off with the main alarm, but just been doing a bit of tweaking, so I've changed it to horn honk when main alarm, condition, tag present, no. So tag not present. So that's why the horn honk never went off. And like I say, when the tag's not present, the horn honk will go off and the locks will not fire open. So yeah, thanks for watching. This has also got pin to drive, which when you turn the ignition on, you'll hear that beeping. I've put a 4-digit code in. The customer has got a fault with his vehicle, nothing to do with me. I put the code in wrong, let's try again. Up, up, down, down. That's it, 2 beeps, beeping stops, and she's good to go. Like I say, there was a fault on there when he pulled up. I did a pre-check. So yeah, thanks for watching. That's Andy from Vehicle Fits with Starline S9, cab door deadlocks, side load door and barn door, electric locks, and I'll show you how they work again if you listen. That's armed it. So you heard that 1 second later, 2 pulses pushing that motor in, and nice secure protection on the back. Thanks for watching. Cheers.